Right now, I'm about to show you the secret to my trading successes. I come across this indicator about a month now, and honestly, it's changing the way I trade. You can do it with crypto, forex, indices, stocks, all of them are available. It's a simple indicator that's on TradingView, and you can get a free trial. Now, stay tuned. I'm about to show you exactly how it works, how you can set alerts, and also how to purchase and the free trial. Now, before I do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, here we are logged in to my TradingView account, and as you can see, the indicator I have is called TheSignaler. Okay, so it's nice and simple. I'm going to break it down for you just in case you are unfamiliar with how shorts and longs work. Okay, so first thing is short is a sell and a long is a buy. Okay, that's very important because when you get this label pop up on your TradingView, this is when it is telling you to do just that. So this is for a short, so a sell. So what we would do is go on the close of this candle where you can see that arrow. This will be up on the red line above because it is a short. Obviously, it's a big stop loss, but it is covering that high on the left as well. Now, with the take profit, you can either target a low, which you can see this would have been nearly 1%. So this would have been, if you're risking $1,000, you would have got 880 back. Okay, so you can also target other highs, other lows. For example, you can come down all the way to this bottom bit and then just spread it out, and you can see that it is working its way down. However, what I do like to do is just once you've set the alerts, which I'm going to show you very shortly, I normally close it when I receive the previous signal. So if I'm in a short, sometimes I'll target the low if it's a good enough risk to reward, or I'll just close when I then get an alert for a change of direction. So for example, if I were to do a short, I'd wait for a long signal to appear. If a long signal would have appeared here, then I would have just closed it here and taken the 0.8, or even go for the targeting of the low. Okay, so let's show you a short and then give you a little insight exactly, like I said, how we possibly could have done it. So let's just move to a random spot. Okay, so for example, this is a long. If I do the long from here, like it said, it's a close of that candle where the blue arrow is. The stop loss will be at the low, which is this blue line. So remember, short is above, long is below. And then we can either target highs, like I said, or like this one, this would have protected our stop loss because once we get that short signal, we would have taken a small amount of profit, but it obviously would have been still at success because then it ran through to our stop loss. But you can also target highs or even fair value gaps. You can see there's a few fair value gaps here. We are in a downtrend, so I probably wouldn't have taken this long. So obviously you do need to use this indicator with a bit of knowledge in the trading game as well, because if you're in a downtrend, 9 times out of 10 you don't want to be taking buys unless you catch that good trade that will reverse the trend. However, like I just want to show you another one, because obviously, like I said to you, these aren't always successful. Okay, this is trading. If you hear someone say the indicator or their trading strategy is 100% accurate, they're lying. It's a scam. Don't believe it. Okay, so like we can see this short here, we would have taken a sell at the close of this candle, and then the stop would have gone up here. You would have been targeting the lows or waiting for a long signal, which obviously would have been up here, and you would have been very close to your stop loss. So we probably would have taken a loss in this instance. If you were to carry it on, keep going, we would have hit our stop loss here, but if you were targeting this little wick here, then obviously it would have activated there. Okay, so now let me show you exactly how to do your alerts. It's nice and simple. Once you load this up, simply right click on one of the labels and then add alert on the signaler. So this is create an alert on Sol USD. This is on the crypto on the 1 day time frame, and then all of these, the message is basically telling you to alert. You simply press create, and then when any of these signals come up, you will be alerted on your phone or tablet or PC, wherever you have your TradingView logged in. Okay, now the important part is let me show you exactly how you can purchase and get that free trial. Okay, so you want to head on over to buy_thesignaler_bot. Link will be down in the description for you to grab that. Now the button will be there, but obviously I've done it a couple of times. So you want to press start. That's /start. Then you will be given these different options. 1 day free is nice and simple. It explains that you get this for 24 hours. Full access, you can see it working, back test it, do everything you can. Even take a trade if this signal is there for you. However, what I did was the lifetime plan. Okay, so you want to click on lifetime or monthly if it's your choice, then click to pay by crypto. Now, once you've got on this, it will automatically come up with the exact amount you need to send. So if you do have a lot of Bitcoin, you can simply press BTC, which is Bitcoin. it's telling you it's going to be 0.00369. Okay, we click on that, and then what it does is it gives you the confirmation. Now, once you press confirmation, you press buy now, and then you can see not enough coins to pay the invoice. Buy coins via PTP market, swap coins via exchange, or use the address below, deposit coin. Okay, this is what I did. So you want to make sure that the network is the exact one. This is the contract address. Simply click it. As you can see, text copy to clipboard. Then head on over to your wallet and paste that contract address, making sure it's Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, and then send in 0.003969 to the address above. Otherwise, your coins may be lost. However, once they receive your payment, you will then be given lifetime access to this signaler indicator. But there we have it, guys. Nice and simple. One of the best indicators I've found on the market, and it's helping my trading journey as we continue. Now, obviously, I've shown you everything from how to read the signals, how to apply the trade, and also how to set up those alerts. So let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and also let me know if this is something that you would be interested in. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.